Debbie, bomb! Bomb, Debbie! Bomb, Debbie! Nah, yeah.
We're going straight?
Now make a left. We want to get out of the wind.
Let's keep the wind there. Spades, you can stay on this side.
Okay.
Paddle hard, Spades. We're going, oh.
Well, maybe not. No. Go straight.
Okay.
Right? We can't get around
We can't get around that.
Not around it, under the power line.
No, we're not doing that. Go. Oh my god, look at the water level up in the window. Pink champagne on ice.
Alright, left up here or one more street?
No, left up here.
Oh, this is bridge?
No, that was bridge.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You through the trees?
You want to thread the needle first?
Yes, definitely.
No,
Last
it's
two.
good.
No, we got it.
Straight, you turn.
Crank.
No,
There we go.
the idea is not to lose momentum, paddler.
Search and rescue. Anybody home? The black X's on the door. Alright, Spades,
Switch.
harder your
Paddle, dude.
Got it?
Seems like you don't.
Mike and I would go fishing, I'd be in the front, and he'd be like, oh my god, Larry, did you see the J Penny like 40-inch wheels that ride into it?
Oh, is that what that was?
Green thing, it looks like a military truck. I'm like, dude, that's a JK. He's like, you know it. Straight?
Yep. All the way to the T, then we're going right. Then you're gonna
Wait, you crossed the bay one?
no, the bay's right there.
The bridge, I mean?
We're gonna cross the bridge over at Mount Street.
You turned to the south.
Yep, coming up Lake Avenue it is. How you doing? Nothing. Oh shit.
Hope I slipped the shit.
Hoping for some luck.
Good luck. Be safe.
Look at those waves up there, guys.
I can't see.
Larry,
Yeah, I see it.
maybe we don't want to make it right.
Well, we can make a right and then a left.
Alright, let's muscle through this current.
Alright.
Well, not too much.
It just goes right out to sea.
Yeah.
Alright, we really gotta think about these waves up here.
Why? We're going into them?
Let's switch sides, please.
Okay.
Well, just, do you see the swell up front?
Not really. If I lean, I'll tip the boat. So I'll just take your word.
Oh man.
Oh, lawn chairs. Debris.
Debris. Oh, stack of lawn chairs. Stack of debris.
Stack of tomatoes.
Alright, what are we gonna do here?
We're gonna bang a right.
Going straight into the lion den ride.
Look at this shit. Look for the high water line.
Pretty much it, no?
No. You can see it right
Oh,
there.
yeah, the white. It's been a foot and a half higher than this now, right?
Yeah.
Caution strong on this.
Lifeguard on duty. They're home. What
Alright,
lunatics.
hold on.
Why don't you snap a couple photos? Oh, some sort of crazy debris down there.
It's like a giant fish.
Wow, guys. Alright, so we're making a right?
Making a right.
Okay, let's do this.
Alright, so
And we're not gleaming the cube
swing
either.
it wide, and
Alright.
then we're gonna both, let's go slow now.
Okay.
No, I think you need to carry momentum.
We're both
think we
gonna
gotta
go,
You need to carry momentum, Brian.
We're both gonna go on the left side.
We can't go too far left.
And
Go.
swing it.
No, paddle. Don't turn.
Full
Paddle.
left side. Put your four way out. Put your four way out. There we go. All right. You can go other side. You can go
Hot,
right.
wide turn.
Awesome turn.
Little vino tinto and coffee. Good idea. If there's anything left in my house, I'll bring you guys back. You guys want anything? Some wet crackers, maybe? Johnson Street. Yeah. Cheers. You guys, you got a little water inside, not too much.
Yo.
Oh, no.
Guys, we're gonna get.
Wide, wide.
Trying to get it back.
Oh my God, look at all the gas.
All right, left here or straight?
We're gonna go left through the secret way.
Bottom in.
I'm down.
Okay, switch sides. I gotta switch.
Okay.
Woo!
Make a left at the stop sign.
Alright. I don't see a stop sign.
Look closely.
There's a stop sign.
Oh, wow. Where are we going? Left there?
Yep.
Are we going down that street?
Yep, we're going down the
right
street.
hand side. Just push your paddle way out. Do this. Wait, we take it
I
here.
gotta give this one.
Stop plate.
There's something down.
Right.
Are we going that way then? Get through here.
Well, go, let's go. That's the fence, it's just around.
How are we gonna get over there?
It's not over, we're going around it. Trust me.
Oh, it's left?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That sand boat? Ditch?
Yeah, it's got it, yeah. Generator high and dry pumping.
Where are we going?
We're gonna just take it nice and slow. Make
We're
it
coming in
left
through
as we
here.
breathe.
Alright. So this is a yard, yes?
Now this is a little bike path to the beach.
Alright, full bore.
Alright, I'm on the left.
Oh my God.
Bowie,
Photo?
propane tank.
I don't like the propane tank as much as that. Oh, I'm so glad we didn't try to walk through this, fellas.
I rode a bike through this shit last year.
Oh, beauty.
Oh,
Alright, we're going right up here, Larry?
We're going over the bridge.
To the right?
we might have to do a little bushwhacking.
I'll move the debris.
I think we
Or
can
we
plow
can go
through on the right
there,
of it.
to the right of the bike. Yeah, so just muscle through that, Larry?
So between the bike route and the tree, we got.
Oh yeah, we can cut through over here.
Let's
Go harder. Go harder right.
Hard left?
Harder, yeah.
I mean, hard right?
Oh my god.
Look at that little wagon behind the paddle boat.
Okay.
Here.
And we're going right.
Yep, right through there.
Let's crank it. Ramming speed.
Oh, I guess I'm wearing the GoPro. We got all this on tape.
Alright, everyone's set.
All right, you going under?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the yacht club.
Larry, then right again?
Yeah.
All right.
There's another kayak. You see that one?
There's a bigger boat over there too.
Space, on your right hand side.
Okay.
And then left hand side in
And
two.
then
Ready?
3,
1,
2, left.
2, left side.
Oh, they got an engine. That's an engine. Zodiac.
Alright, we're gonna swing through.
We're gonna go through.
Oh, weave it.
Oh, look how high it got
Alright, you can go
there.
on the right side now.
Okay.
Not over there.
Right, want me to go? to make a left and not paddle all the way to Johnson?
Yeah, we'll walk east out.
We'll walk east out?
Alright, so we'll go through the street.
Ready?
No, we're going this. Oh yeah, Forsyth, yeah. Shit, it came up that quick.
How about there's a fence that we're going over, like shadow. Yeah, we're going over the fence so hopefully we don't get stuck on it.
We'll be fine.
Hey, Thomas, Thomas! Right here,
Oh,
son.
there's a fence. Oh, there's a fence.
3, 2,
Oh, fence, like, oh my god. Look at the beamer.
tickle.
I see driveway that is not. It's glorious stuff. That fence is nice.
That guy's not doing so well. Is that the ocean I hear?
Yeah, right? 2 blocks straight and then what? 5 blocks, right? We have to start dragging her, huh?
Yeah, I'll drag once we get to Drag Town.
High water
I
mark.
thought it would be dry over here. It's higher than you think. It's the.
It's yeah, it's 2 feet easy.
Oh my god.
You guys take some pictures?
I got the GoPro on.
Alright, where we going, right? Not straight. Swing it right?
Getting thin.
There's
And-
enough water?
And then once I start dragging, you can start snapping.
Yeah, we're hitting bottom. Face, left side, please.
Left side.
Left
got
side,
it.
we're going right. Alright, I got it.
Oh, slow down.
I got it.
Oh, we're hitting this.
I got it.
Don't flip on the- Let's just anchor here, right?
Well, let's go to a place that I trust a little more. Oh, I'm on sand.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go left.
Yep. And we'll drop this over this fence.
Yank it, space.
Right, piggyback?
No.
Bates. Alright, let's put it over. Let's put it right in here. Let's pick it up. Slide it right in here. Slide it on the grass.
Group shot of the kayak? Group shot of the kayak?
It's a functional shovel. Should we walk into the bluffs? Yeah, look at the sidewalk. Because all the stuff underneath.
It's sick. Does that mean this road could collapse? Walk on it?
Holy shit. Look at these fucking savages. You have a chair in the middle of the road? That is crazy. Wait, turn that for a second. Look at this.
Sorry, bro. First one to find a dead fish wins. Watch out for power line. No. I don't want to be on someone else's property, you know? They just built this house. All the windows ripped through. Yeah. Oh my God! Look at the air conditioner. It's your raft. It's the Explorer, yeah. Hi. Hi. I'm walking down East Avenue right now. It's fucking, looks like Katrina, dude. Yeah, I'm walking on 3 feet of sand right now. I'm not there yet. From what I can see, shit looks fucked up. Just by Sadios. Fucking windows smashed in, the back windows are smashed through. Not that I can see, but oh my God, my neighbors. All right, I'm gonna go check in on my neighbors. I'll call you when I'm back in the car. That's gonna be like an hour. There's definitely water in your basement, 100%. Absolutely, without a doubt. All right. Nah, probably not. Whoa. All right, let me go. I gotta concentrate here. All right, bye. Oh my God, the basement.
Oh my God.
Guys, get out of the shot. Howdy. No, that was the baby pool. No, this was the baby pool. Yeah, we covered it. What? Yeah, Lou. Lou. Fucking house withheld it, dude.
Side porch line?
Side porch is completely fucked.
Oh shit, this is...
What the fuck is that?
Tree out there.
Hi. I'm at 701 East Avenue. The deck and pool are trashed. The whole porch, trashed. Side porch, trashed. There's no deck. And there's a It's all in the side porch. It's all in the side yard. Noonan's yard. Gonna go check it out. I went by their house. It's not there though. It's not there. Hey, let me do a little reconnaissance here. Bye. Be careful there, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get to it. out there. Alright, careful, one at a time. I guess we're not going in. Yeah.
Not going in?
Yeah, we can't get in, bro.
Right?
Yeah, those doors are locked. Those are locked. Let's see if they're broken through.
Like that. The wind, what was there, like foam blowing?
Yeah.
Locked?
You can yank it. Alright, leave it. We don't want to break anything. Dude, a wave just came in and just cleared everything out. Where? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Brian, this is a cool photo. You get this coming down this way? That? Yes, sailboat's there. Yeah. Trying to get a good idea of water height. I think it's right here. 'Cause Halloween. Yeah, but then we can't get into the house. Go for it. Help them out, Spades. Yeah. All right. old girl stood up pretty well. Holy fuck, is this ours?
Yeah.
From where though? I guess the front part? Full tile. Move. Alright, oh my god. People just bought this house for $7 million bucks. No. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That's my kayak. What are we gonna do with it? Yeah, it's got holes in the bottom. My ass will get wet. Old Michelob bottle. The old sexy shape. That's from the original pool. Sell. There's the back of the kayak. A little back support.